Ever wondered why your YouTube shorts get 50 views while others explode overnight? The answer? You're missing 3 secret ingredients that the 2025 algorithm demands. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn dead shorts into viral gold. First, timing is everything. Imagine YouTube's algorithm as a hungry shark. Feed it at the wrong time, it swims away. Feed it at the perfect moment, it carries your short to millions. Here's the fix. Go to YouTube Studio's Audience tab and find your peak hours. Then post 30 minutes early. Why? Because the algorithm needs time to taste your short before the feeding frenzy begins. If there is not enough data, check your audience country and post in about 5 to 7 p.m. of their time. Second, the 3-second hook that stops scrollers cold. Your first 3 seconds are like a grenade pin. Pull it wrong? Boom, your video's dead. Pull it right? Viral explosion. And this is where most creators fail. If your hook is weak, no one stays. No watch time, no viral reach. But here's the good news. I've compiled a list of the best viral hooks that work in 2025. If this video gets 500 likes, I'll drop the full list in my community post. Comment hooks if you want it. And to make sure you don't miss it, hit subscribe and turn on the bell. Use ChatGPT to generate scroll stoppers. Type 5 viral hooks for your niche targeting country of viewer viewers. Example, this AI tool pays Texans $100 per hour to test apps, no resume needed. See what I did there? Specific location, big benefit, high curiosity. Third, the watch time hack no one uses. Want YouTube's algorithm to push your shorts to millions? Then you must keep viewers watching till the end. Here's how to do it right. First, use mid-video cliffhangers. Ever noticed why some shorts make you wait till the last second? That's because the longer people watch, the more YouTube promotes it. Second, don't give everything away at once. Drop a tease at 10 to 15 seconds. The real secret? I'll show you in just a sec. This triggers curiosity and stops viewers from swiping away. Third, loop your video for maximum views. End with a question or a repeatable phrase. Did you catch that? Watch again. This makes people rewatch without even realizing it. Why does this work? Because YouTube rewards shorts with high retention. The more people watch till the end or rewatch, the more YouTube recommends it. A 90% retention rate? That's viral territory. Use these hacks. Boom, you're in the game. Now, remember the hungry shark analogy? At 15 seconds, drop a cliffhanger. Wait until the end to see the $1,000 website. This keeps viewers hooked and the algorithm rewards you. But hold on, there's more. Your channel is like a rocket. Post consistently. That's the fuel. Miss a week, you're stuck on the launch pad. The final secret? YouTube doesn't want you to know this. It's how to automate these hacks with AI. But I'll save that for next week. So smash subscribe, hit the bell, because this final step, it's where the real magic happens. 3 ingredients: timing, hooks, watch time. Master them, and the algorithm becomes your best friend. Now, go fix those shorts. But if you think YouTube is about luck, then watch this video. See you there.